Hey there again, my delicious gumdrops. Today is Friday, April 1st, 2021. My name is Lenny Hernandez, and we are here once again to usher you into the weekend with some good news from around Arrow Senior Living communities. It's not a joke. No, I'm not fooling. I'm being deadly serious about the happiness that I'm going to be bringing you. I'm not messing around here when it comes to brightening your day and sending you on your way with a beautiful smile on your face. I'm here in Lee Summit, Missouri, visiting the lovely Princeton Senior Living because they're going to be opening up their AL very soon, next week, actually. But be sure to check out our mini-sode all about this community from February 18th. You can find that link in the description below. But no, we're not here to talk about the Princeton today. No, we are not. Today's episode is all about the wonderful new renovations done and completed at Chestnut Hill Senior Living in Columbus, Ohio. They have been hard at work giving the community a gorgeous makeover, and the residents there are absolutely thrilled with the results. What are we waiting for? Spring is here, and so is Arrow Nicely News. For today's special report, we're once again throwing it over to Nicole Rosa, who was on site at Chestnut Hill to bring us as close to the community as possible. Nicole, take it away.
Hey, it is Nicole Rosa, and we are back and at Chestnut Hill Senior Living in Columbus, Ohio. We are super excited because this community is newly renovated, and I would love to show you around, so come inside for a peek. And we are inside this newly renovated community, which is established in 1993. This community is so rich in its history with the experienced community and staff that has been here, now with just a new look. So if we walk over here, we will see our lobby where our residents have been able to hang out with their friends and family anytime they want. Couldn't look better. It has such a clean and crisp look. And I mean, check out this color palette. Who doesn't love blue? Did I mention we have a new look? Oh wait, I did. What I didn't mention is we have brand new amenities that our residents get to enjoy. So one of them is actually our 24-hour bar and bistro. There's freshly made bakery items, fresh fruit, coffee, and more snacks. So follow me so I can show you a little bit of this bistro and everything that it has to offer. In our Hoover and Griggs restaurant, it is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can sit wherever you want and eat whatever you want. There's a 4-page menu that changes daily and seasonally, and it is all made by our executive chef, Laron. Another new amenity is our demonstration kitchen. Our residents are able to come and use any of these appliances. They can bake. Baking classes will be held here, and really just a great space for those cooking lovers. We're in our brand new theater, and our residents are absolutely loving it. We have exercise classes. People come and actually hang out to watch TV, movies, anything, you name it. Right off the theater is our game lounge, and it is a really fun space for our residents to come and just hang out, socialize a little bit, or have that one-on-one time to do a puzzle or play chess with a friend, anything they'd like. We now have a fitness center in the community, and our residents can come and enjoy the space to exercise, and we've partnered with a great company called Empower Me, where they offer speech therapy, physical therapy, occupational therapy, and many other services to elevate the health and wellness for everyone here living. In our Studio Deluxe, it has been completely remodeled, and it's a wonderful space for our residents who do live in these because it's very manageable and you could do so much with the space. So you can see that we have a bed, and this is more of the bedroom area over here. And then we, in our model space, have transformed it into a little lounge space too. So you really have that separation that doesn't feel like one large space, and so people can really utilize it and make it their own In the apartment and coming into the bathroom area, you'll notice one really cool feature that is throughout the apartment, but it is that we're smart designed. So we're always built with the senior in mind. So any kind of wheelchair, walker, rollator, any of those sorts are able to get through here. So all of our residents are able to age in place and know that they have the space needed if they were to have any kind of ambulatory items with them. And then other than that, we do have a great kitchenette. So if anybody wanted to stack their favorite drink or snacks, they have that space to do so, unless they wanted to go out to the bistro and the restaurant area. And in this spacious apartment, we have two, not one, but two closets. I know for me, this would be perfect for all of my things. Well, that's a wrap here at Chestnut Hill Senior Living. We offer assisted living and memory care, and we can't wait to show more people our new renovations. See you next time.
Thank you so much for that great, riveting report, Nicole. Awesome job. We're just super thrilled for the residents at Chestnut Hill that they get to enjoy all the gorgeous new scenery and all of those amazing amenities. If you're in the Columbus area and you want to see it for yourself, go to chestnuthillseniorliving.com or call the community directly at 614-855-3700. We know that you will fall in love with this community. The people are just so warm and welcoming, as the community itself is just so handsome. Well, everybody, that'll do it for this week's episode of Aero Nicely News. We hope that you have a wonderful weekend and an even better week next week. Until we meet again, my compadres, my name is Lenny Hernandez. Happy trails. We'll see you next Friday. Like and share this video. And next week, I promise, I'll have hair gel in my hair. I forgot it this week when I went to travel. Ah! We'll see you all next week.
And I would do anything for love. If I would do anything for love, but I won't do that. Oh no, I won't do anything for love. Yes, I would do anything for love.